Assalamu alaikum. How are you all guys? Welcome to Guts Learning. Today in this video we are going to start our new course of C language, which you are aware of. It is the course of your second year and 10th class PTB. I am going to teach you from Android application as it is easy to you to get, and mobile are everywhere available for you. So you can see I am going to make whole playlist and whole series for you to learn all the objects and function and everything from A to Z of C language. According to your syllabus, there would be two playlists and series, one of 10th class and one for second year. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for this purpose, you have to download and install an app from Play Store. So open the Play Store and search for the app C compiler. Okay, here fourth one is the compiler of C that I am going to use. Install this. So as you can see, this is the most efficient and amazing application, but this is online, and if you want to learn offline, so I'll give you a description of the app in I'll give you link in the description of that app. You can learn offline. Okay, so here the 99 and it is starting install. Started installing. Let's open it and build the course. Next, 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 and next. Leave it. Allow. So here C language, and here you can see this is where we are going to start. So as you are aware of the include function, then we are going to include the function thing we are going, that means you are linking the program with header file and library file, in which the definition of the function are defined. So here I'm in second year. In second year, you may have to use two directories, one stdio and the second is connew in every program, but here we are going to use only stdio. Don't mind that. There so let's start writing our code. Void mean nothing, so let's leave this return, remove, and include mean we have attached library file with the program. Void is the data type of the function. Function is our main function in which our actual code that will be executed. The code that is going to execute will be written in curly braces. Curly braces starting and the ending of the curly braces. This is the body of the program, actual code, main function that is going to run. So main is our main function, and the brackets after main the brackets after the exact after the main include determine that it is a function. And as you can see here, there are semicolons at the end of the our statement. Every single line is called a statement in a language. Statement semicolon are called statement terminators that you are known of. And um, here where at main the brackets, there are no statement terminal at the bracket because we are the main function is written after that, and there is no end of the function, so we are not terminating it, and we are going to write it. So there are no semicolon. Semicolon are when we call a function. We are going to study in fifth chapter of ninth class and the 13th chapter of second year. So here here is a simple format. Printf is a input output function. It is a function. A brace these brackets, simple brackets are called parentheses, and parentheses say that it is a function. Uh, so printf, here we have a output function, and let's run this code. Here we are going to give it is showing if you have to give an input for the program to run. So we are not, so let's run. What the output is going to: hello world, congrats on successfully running your code. Awesome. So let's try again. The quotation means if someone have quoted anything, so quotation are used that the same as the thing written in the quotation will be printed on the screen. Could be single quotes or double quotes. It is better to use double quotes. And printf is for output. That was our code. Let's type something different. Hello world. uh, Programming is interesting. Programming is interesting. So let's run this. No input, run without any giving an input. So what our code is saying, output is programming is interesting. Whoa, congrats. So you can we are going to learn all about all our all every single bit of exercise in our tutorial and series of C language, and this would be in English as well as in Urdu. So there would be four lists, and this will be Android and Visual Studio Code on desktop. So you may get everything clear in your mind. You can use what you like to and what is easier for you to understand. Okay, so let's take a summary of our program, our today lesson. So include mean preprocessor directories, and stdio stand for standard input output, and .l is the uh, extension of header files. Header files are library files which we are linking to the program, to our program. That includes library file include the definition of the function being used in our main function. So these are important to link library files. If we don't link them, so we the main function doesn't know what is the meaning of the statement we have attached, we have used. So these are important. And void mean there is nothing, blank, and Many times these are the type of the function. So here we don't know, and in between the parentheses we use parameters, and this is our main function that is actually our code is written where these are the starting and ending of the our program, actual function. So in between the braces we have used a single output function which is known as printf function. Printf function is used to print on the screen what you have written in the quotation in between parentheses. So at the end of the every statement there are a semicolon must in every line. So hope you enjoy this tutorial. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.